For 5 decades, Voyager 1 has been traveling through space, breaking barriers and revealing cosmic secrets that have reshaped our understanding of the universe. But now, something unbelievable has happened. NASA has confirmed that Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object from Earth, has detected something that defies scientific explanation. This discovery is so impossible, so groundbreaking, that it has forced scientists to rethink what they thought they knew about interstellar space. What did Voyager 1 find, and what does this mean for the future of space exploration? The unexpected message from Voyager 1. At a staggering 15 billion miles from Earth, the spacecraft was expected to slowly lose contact as its power sources weakened. But in a shocking twist, NASA engineers re-established communication with Voyager 1, and the data it sent back was beyond anything they had anticipated. For decades, Voyager 1 has been sending valuable information about the heliosphere, the protective bubble created by the Sun's solar wind. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, officially becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. Since then, it has been studying cosmic radiation, magnetic fields, and interstellar plasma. But in its latest transmissions, Voyager 1 has detected anomalies in space that NASA cannot yet explain. The spacecraft recorded a sudden and unexpected increase in cosmic radiation levels that far exceed anything previously recorded beyond the heliopause. This radiation doesn't match any known pattern, and it suggests that something strange is happening beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Scientists originally believed that the interstellar medium, the space between stars, was relatively calm and predictable. But Voyager 1's data suggests that the area it has entered is anything but ordinary. The nature of this radiation is so unusual that NASA has labeled it anomalous, meaning it does not conform to any known scientific model. Is Voyager 1 detecting something new about interstellar space, or is it picking up signals from something we've never encountered before? The disturbance in the magnetic field. One of the most bizarre discoveries in Voyager 1's latest data is a distortion in the magnetic field surrounding the spacecraft. According to existing models, the magnetic fields beyond the heliopause should be relatively uniform and predictable. But Voyager 1 has recorded unexpected shifts in the strength and direction of these fields, as if it is encountering something massive and invisible that is disrupting the natural flow of interstellar space. This discovery is problematic for scientists. If interstellar space is uniform as previously thought, these variations in the magnetic field shouldn't be happening. Some researchers speculate that Voyager 1 might have encountered a previously unknown boundary, a sort of interstellar shock wave where our solar system's influence truly ends. But there's an even more radical theory. Some believe that Voyager 1 has detected the gravitational pull of an unknown object lurking in the void. Could there be an undiscovered celestial body, perhaps a rogue planet, a primordial black hole, or even an advanced megastructure, causing these fluctuations? Voyager 1's sensors aren't capable of capturing images anymore, but its ability to measure plasma waves and magnetic fields could provide the first indirect evidence of something massive and unseen moving through interstellar space. Whatever the case may be, the data from Voyager 1 has forced scientists to reconsider what truly exists beyond our solar system's edge. The mysterious cosmic rays, a warning from the unknown. One of the most terrifying aspects of Voyager 1's new discovery is the unexpected surge in cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that travel through space at nearly the speed of light, originating from supernovae, black holes, and other high-energy astrophysical sources. Normally, the density of cosmic rays increases gradually as a spacecraft moves deeper into interstellar space. However, Voyager 1's data shows an extreme, unexplained spike in radiation, as if the probe has entered an area where space itself is charged with energy from an unknown source. This is deeply concerning for NASA and other space agencies. If cosmic rays are far more concentrated in certain regions of interstellar space, it could pose a severe threat to future deep space missions. A manned mission beyond the heliopause, or even to another star system, would require advanced shielding technology to protect astronauts from these deadly radiation levels. But here's where things get even stranger. Voyager 1 also detected fluctuations in the frequency of these cosmic rays, meaning they might not just be random background noise. Some scientists speculate that these patterns could be the result of a distant astrophysical event that has yet to be discovered, like an ancient supernova that we are only now feeling the effects of. Others have suggested an even more radical idea. What if these signals aren't natural at all? Could Voyager 1 be picking up traces of something artificial, like a communication signal or an interstellar beacon? For now, NASA is working tirelessly to analyze the probe's transmissions. But one thing is clear: Voyager 1 has entered a region of space unlike anything we've ever encountered before. What comes next for Voyager 1? With Voyager 1 continuing its impossible journey, the biggest question now is, how much longer will it survive? NASA engineers have already begun shutting down non-essential systems to conserve power, hoping to keep the spacecraft operational until at least 2030. However, every year that passes brings the mission closer to its inevitable end. Despite running on technology from the 1970s, Voyager 1 has exceeded all expectations, continuing to send valuable data that challenges our understanding of space. But as it moves deeper into the void, its ability to communicate with Earth will grow weaker. Eventually, its nuclear power source will run out, and the spacecraft will fall silent, drifting endlessly through the cosmos, possibly for millions of years. But what if Voyager 1 isn't alone out there? Some theorists believe that if there are other civilizations in the galaxy, a spacecraft like Voyager 1 could one day be discovered. After all, each Voyager probe carries the golden record, a time capsule filled with images, sounds, and information about humanity, a message to whoever might find it in the distant future. But before we can speculate on Voyager 1's long-term fate, we must first understand what it has just found. The latest discoveries from Voyager 1 suggest that interstellar space is far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. The rise in cosmic radiation, the unexplained magnetic disturbances, and the possibility of an unknown gravitational force all point to something we have never seen before. NASA is now in a race against time to analyze the data before Voyager 1's instruments go dark. What they find in the coming months could change everything, not just about our understanding of interstellar space, but about the very nature of the universe itself. Has Voyager 1 entered an uncharted region of space? One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Voyager 1's latest discovery is whether the spacecraft has entered a previously unknown region of space. Until now, scientists believed that once Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, it would drift into a relatively stable interstellar medium, a vast, uniform expanse of space filled with cosmic dust, weak magnetic fields, and scattered radiation. But the data Voyager 1 is sending back contradicts that assumption. The spacecraft appears to have entered a highly active zone, one where magnetic fields fluctuate unpredictably, cosmic radiation levels surge and drop without explanation, and interstellar plasma behaves in ways that defy current scientific models. This has led to an astonishing possibility. Voyager may first have crossed into a boundary within interstellar space itself. Some researchers now speculate that space beyond the heliopause is not as uniform as once thought but may instead be divided into complex layers, each with unique properties. One hypothesis suggests that Voyager 1 is passing through a turbulent shock wave caused by the interaction of our Sun's heliosphere with the interstellar winds of another star. If true, this would mean that Voyager 1 is one of the first human-made objects to experience the influence of another star system, even if it remains light years away from any known exoplanet or stellar body. Others argue that the spacecraft may have entered a gravitational anomaly, a region of space where the curvature of spacetime itself is being warped by an unseen force. If this is the case, it raises even deeper questions. What could be causing this distortion? Could it be the influence of a massive celestial object like a rogue planet or a hidden black hole? Or has Voyager 1 stumbled upon something even stranger, an unidentified cosmic structure that is yet to be detected by telescopes on Earth? The unsettling part is that scientists don't know how long this region extends or what Voyager 1 might encounter next. But one thing is certain: this is unlike anything we have ever seen in space exploration before. Is Voyager 1 detecting evidence of an unknown force? As if the magnetic field distortions and cosmic radiation spikes weren't enough, scientists analyzing Voyager 1's data have noticed something even more unsettling. The spacecraft's trajectory has experienced unexpected deviations. Voyager 1 follows a carefully calculated path through space, one that has been predicted and modeled with incredible accuracy. But in its latest readings, something appears to be subtly shifting its course. This deviation is extremely small, barely noticeable by human standards, but at the interstellar scale, even the slightest change could indicate the presence of a force we don't yet understand. Several theories have emerged to explain this anomaly. One of the most common is the gravitational influence of a hidden object, a celestial body that has yet to be mapped, possibly a massive planet or a compact dark stellar remnant. If Voyager 1 is being pulled slightly off course, it could suggest that there is something lurking in the darkness beyond our solar system, something that even our most advanced telescopes have failed to detect. But another, more controversial theory suggests that Voyager 1 might be reacting to an external force that is not gravitational in nature. Some researchers speculate that the spacecraft may have entered a region of space where the fundamental forces of nature, gravity, magnetism, and even time itself, behave differently from what we observe closer to the Sun. One particularly extreme idea suggests that Voyager may first have encountered a form of exotic matter, the kind theorized in models of dark energy and the expansion of the universe. If this is true, then Voyager 1 is not just pushing the boundaries of interstellar exploration. It is quite literally moving through an unknown realm of physics that challenges everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Whatever the cause, one thing is clear: Voyager 1 is in uncharted territory, and what it finds next could redefine our understanding of space forever. The greatest mystery in Voyager 1's journey. For 50 years, Voyager 1 has been pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, venturing farther than any spacecraft in history. But now, as it transmits data from the depths of interstellar space, it has uncovered mysteries that even NASA cannot yet explain. The surge in cosmic radiation, the distorted magnetic fields, the unexpected gravitational anomalies, all of these point to the possibility that Voyager 1 is passing through a completely unknown region of space, one that defies our current understanding of astrophysics. If this spacecraft is truly detecting evidence of an unseen force, a hidden celestial object, or even an undiscovered layer of interstellar space, it could change everything we thought we knew about the structure of the universe. But the biggest question of all remains: what lies ahead for Voyager 1? With every mile it travels, it continues to send us pieces of a cosmic puzzle that may take years, if not decades, to fully understand. But one thing is certain: the further Voyager 1 goes, the more we realize how little we truly know about the universe. And as it drifts endlessly into the unknown, one final mystery remains: is Voyager 1 truly alone out there, or will it one day be discovered by something else?